Our ingredients delight and nourish millions of people all over the world. To do this safely and consistently, we rely on our robust operational capabilities, technological flexibility, and customer-centered approach. The latest addition to our manufacturing footprint is our facility in the Philippines, allowing us to offer innovative texture and taste solutions to our customers worldwide. We leverage our privileged location in Luzon, applying advanced manufacturing technology to enable scalability, agility, and efficiency. Our sourcing from origin, selection, and responsible processing ensure natural raw materials express their properties in our products. Through our leading-edge regional innovation platform, we combine deep consumer insights and profound scientific knowledge to deliver the highest quality, functionality, and consistency standards. Partner with us to design the solutions that will shape the future of food. Farmesa, we innovate to awaken the senses.